Maybe you've been through this before. You start motivated. You do 20, 30, maybe 50 push-ups. Your heart starts racing. Your arms start burning. And you think, now this is it. I'm finally improving. But weeks go by. Your chest looks the same. Your arms don't grow. Your strength doesn't change. It's not a lack of effort. You're doing push-ups wrong. A push-up is not just going down and up from the floor. It's a strength movement. And strength requires precision. So today, we're going to fix the 5 mistakes that are sabotaging your results. Mistake 1. Hips dropping. Look at most people doing push-ups. Their hips collapse. Their lower back takes the pressure. The core disappears. The exercise turns into a messy movement. The solution? Brace your abs. Imagine someone is about to punch your stomach. Keep your body straight, from shoulders to heels. Now you're training your entire body. Mistake 2. Elbows flaring out. Elbows pointing straight to the sides are a perfect recipe for shoulder pain. And it also takes tension away from your chest. Bring your elbows slightly inward, about 45 degrees. Suddenly, your chest activates, your triceps join the movement, and real strength appears. Mistake 3. Looking down. It seems like a small detail, but it destroys your posture. Many people do push-ups looking straight at the floor with their neck bent down. This breaks spinal alignment and weakens the movement. The fix is simple. Keep your neck neutral and look slightly forward, just ahead of your hands. Now your body forms a straight line from head to heels. And remember one thing. Strength is built on alignment. Mistake 4. Moving too fast. Training fast may feel intense, but most of the time, it's just laziness in disguise. Lower your body slowly, control your body weight. Feel your chest stretch. Then push the floor with power. This control creates real muscular tension. And tension is what builds muscle. Mistake 5. Half reps. Many people do quick, short push-ups, almost like they're bouncing off the floor. But muscles grow with full range of motion. Bring your chest close to the floor. Then push up until your arms are fully extended. Every rep has to count. 10 perfect push-ups will always beat 30 sloppy ones. And let me tell you something. Most people watch workout videos, feel motivated for 5 minutes, and then go back to the same routine. But some people choose a different path. They choose to improve a little every single day. If you want to be part of that group, if you want to train with discipline, learn real strength strategies, and build a stronger body, then subscribe to the channel. Because here, we don't train for motivation. We train for transformation.